Back down at the river today. Brought the missus. Say hi. Just a little another fucking random shoot, I guess. See if there's anything down here. Coming still late in the season, but it's not over till fucking January. So fucking Jesus. If I could find something, that'd be great. Anyways, talk to you guys in a bit when I get to the water. So the missus had a good eye. Are you gonna keep walking? Or are you coming down this way? You don't have to, but whatever you want. So she found this little pocket here. Here, I'm gonna give you this. So, thinking, sit down around here. Decoys out in that pocket there. Spot for a boat there. Fucking boat there. Boat there. The birds come in from this way. They land. If you had a pocket like a dozen there and a dozen over here, and birds be landing right fucking not too close, so maybe throw some decoys out that way. This is probably why everyone fucking limits out by fucking November, and I'm just sitting in my boat north in the fucking lake more, just getting one goose and one duck. Dude, this place is fucking mint. Definitely coming back here next year, because everyone fucking limits out in November. So if I can do that and get all fucking 18 in November, or by November at least, that'd be great. Kind of following it. Cattle trail right here. That's weird that we found that fucking cowhide though. Just on this fucking side of the road. I'll show you that when we get back to the truck. Just hiding legs, that's all that was there. I kind of want to see if they got the head there. Fucking beaver. You're a beaver. This trail really fucking gasses you though, Jesus. Anyways. Found another little landing here. Good pocket right here. So fucking decoys right there. Hunker down here in the lowlands there. And birds are coming from that way. They land right there. Anyways, just gonna do a little free advertisement. Zinc, oh shit. Goddamn, get that one. Zinc Power Hen. I don't have my fucking lanyard because I wasn't planning on hunting, but fucking sweet call. On sale for 30 bucks at Key Bellas. Get you one. And a little blind bag I got there with fucking chills. Here, get yourself some gear. Right? Goat. Going back to the fucking truck now. I definitely found a spot to hunt next year. And I guess another little fucking advertisement. Stoeger model 3500 semi-automatic 12 gauge 3.5 inch shell. Grab your own Hackabellas. That's the only fucking hunting store we got around here anyways. And yeah, so I'll see you back at the truck. All right, we're back at the D-Max. I'm gonna show you that fucking cowhide that we found. It's a little weird. So right on the edge of the river. See the foot right there. She stinks. I want to see a head nowhere. I don't really want to fucking touch that shit though. Sitting around. Ready? Yeah, it's gross. Anyways, so I think we're out of here. I think the missus is a little hungry. Tired. Alright, catch you later on the next one. Later.
Okay, go.
We're out of here. Have a good time? Huh? Did you have a good time? Oh, Of course. That means no. That
Yes,
means
I
she was
did.
fucking cold
No, I
and tired the whole time. That doesn't
I
mean.
promise I wasn't the whole time.
Okay, bye.